Mr. Blackstone and Mr. Partridge, they said to me, to get a mortgage, you need an income letter. I thought it was free. Dolly Parton and Lord Byron, they said patriotism is the last refuge, but now it's me. And water's flowing down the mountain, but a tree is blocking the water flowing. So I went fishing, I know from a fish said I did dope. If you wanna catch us, you need a rod and a line. Sound of fish, water is flowing down the mountain, but a tree is blocking the water flowing. Went to the car rental, they said to me, you need a logbook and a license, son. Water's flowing.